You wreck them with revival. Looks different.
Friend, if you raise your hands and you don't come down here, I challenge you tonight to show God another level of you. 3, come on now. Come on, come on, right.